Perfect. So now we have a positive slope. What I want you to do at your table with people that are around you is what is the connection between x and y when you have a positive slope? So what is the connection between x and y? What's the relationship? That's a better word. What is the relationship between x and y when you have a positive slope? So at your table, discuss it, and if it makes sense, write it down. Discuss it. If it's like, hey, that makes sense, then write it down. So if you're in a place where you're not going to talk with the person that's right there, then move somewhere else around the other people and have that conversation. Or you two can pull up a chair to be at this table just to have more people you can discuss things with. What is the relationship between x and y when you have a positive slope? So you should communicate it, and if it makes sense, then write it down. What's the relationship between x and y in a positive slope? Speak up. What do you think? Speak up. What do you think? Positive slope. What's the relationship between x and y? Have that conversation. Make sure you write it over here. What's the relationship between x and y? Write it on your paper. There you go. Josue, say it one time real loud for me. What'd you say? That's exactly what it is. So we have as x increases, I'm going to try to write this as neat as possible. I'm sorry. As x increases, y increases. Same thing with linear regressions whenever you had a strong positive. They mean the same exact thing. As x increases, y increases. We're going to take that, and in a little while, we're going to kind of make the connection between this and the activity that we're going to have on page 53 coming up. That's a positive slope. Perfect. Now, turn the page over, negative slope. What is the relationship between x and y when you have a negative slope? All right, that works. That came out kind of sloppy there. Hold on. Yes, so I think, Ian, say it one time, what'd you say? Yes, so as x increases, y decreases. Now those, we definitely have that back of our hand. We did that with strong positive and strong negative linear regression. So that we kind of know. Let me lower it down. As x increases, y decreases. So that's the connection between x and y. Now the next two we got to pay a little more attention to. So now we're talking about what is the connection when you have a horizontal line between x and y. That doesn't come out to you as simple as positive and negative. So now at your table, what are you thinking? What are you noticing? Don't just sit there and just quiet. What are you noticing? There is a relationship between x and y when you have a horizontal slope or a zero slope. What are you thinking as a group? Okay. What's another word for say it's a second? Yes. Perfect. Yes. Yes, that works. So now I had two people fill in for a really good answer. We have as x increases / decreases. It can go either direction, right? Based upon this horizontal slope, x could increase or decrease either which direction. But then now, Monica, y is what? Y is constant. I know it's sloppy. I apologize. That's why I keep trying to read it over and over again. As x increases or decreases, y is constant. And then now for the last one of a vertical line between x and y, at your table, discuss that and then write down what's the relationship between x and y. I'm gonna have you tell me this. You said it perfectly, but I want to see what you gotta be able to think of. You have all written down? Perfect. So, Daphne, one time real quick, say it loud for me.
As x is constant, y increases or decreases.
Yes, so we have as x is constant. I should have sat down. It's hard writing like this. Y decreases or increases. That is so sloppy. As x is constant, y decreases or increases. Perfect. Now we have the notes. That's what I wanted us to make sure we